So see, next question. If y is equal to log x cube, then find dy by dx. See the question, log x cube. This is one of the big term, and now apply substitution. See, substitution. First put u is equals to x cube, then becomes this term log x cube means log u. So apply again, log u is equals to v. Then how much left? Log u. Log v. So now again put log v is equal to w. Then y reduces to log w. Log w. Now differentiate each of them. See, this is function of u and x. So du by dx is 3x square. This is function of v and u. Then it is dv by du, which is 1 by u. This is function of w and v. Then dw upon dv is equals to 1 by v. And finally dy upon dw is equals to 1 by w. Now multiply each of them. In left side see, du by dx multiplied by dv by du multiplied by dw by dv multiplied by dy by dw. See the term. And right side 3x square into 1 bata u into 1 bata v into 1 bata w. In left side see, du and du should cancel, dv in dv, and finally dw and dw should cancel. Hence only two terms left, that is in numerator we have dy and denominator dx. So dy bata dx is equals to 3x square upon u into v into w. And now write down the value of u, v, w. So 3x square u, we have considered u as x cube. So it is x cube. V, our v is log u and u is x cube. So log x cube, that is value of v. And w means log v. Log v means log u, and log u means log x cube. So it is log x cube. Hence finally we have dy upon dx is equals to 3 upon x cube, and x square, see here, cancels together, becomes x. So 3 upon x log x cube log x cube. So this is finally value of dy upon dx. Further there is no simplification, hence this is result. See one more type of problem, that is if y is equals to log under root 1 plus sin square x upon 1 minus sin x, then find dy upon dx. Under root 1 by 2, it means this is power of 1 by 2. First reduce them. Y is equal to log 1 plus sin square x bata 1 minus sin x whole to the power 1 by 2. Now apply some log property. Children, you already know log x to the power a is equals to a log x, and log a bata b is equals to log a minus log b. So here we apply these two properties. That means first power comes into product. This is by first property. So 1 by 2 into log 1 plus sin square x upon 1 minus sin x. Next apply the second one, log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b, that is log 1 plus sine square x minus log 1 minus sine x. Here this problem is solved by chain rule. You can also apply substitution, but here I am solving by chain rule. So make the chain dy यानी differentiate with respect to x. You may write here differentiate with respect to x. So dy upon dx 1 by 2 is here. Write down the chain log 1 plus sine square x. D of log 1 plus sine square x. The first term log is omitted here. How much left? D of 1 plus sine square x. The same thing is multiplied in numerator. D of 1 plus sine square x. 1 is constant, so left the power. So d of sine x into d of sine x upon dx. And in second term, that is minus log 1 minus sine x, is d of log 1 minus sine x, left log, then d of 1 minus sine x, and d into 1 minus sine x upon left the term sine dx, because 1 is constant. Now differentiate. dy upon dx is equals to 1 bata 2 is already here. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so 1 by, here x is 1 plus sine square x, so 1 by 1 plus sine square x. Now here we left power, so differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x, so it should be 2 sine x, and differentiation of sine x is cos x. On the next term, differentiation of log x is 1 bata x, that is 1 bata 1 minus sine x, and differentiation of 1 minus sine x, that is differentiation of 1 minus sine x, 1 is 0, and minus sine x means minus cos x. So now minus and minus together becomes plus, and 2 sine x into cos x, that is formula for sine 2x. So dy by dx is equals to 1 upon sine 2x divided by 1 plus sine square x plus cos x divided by 1 minus sine x. This is your differentiation. Here such differentiation you can also solve individually, and then put here dy by dx is equal to this one by supposing u and v etc. Now see the next question. Your next question is, if y is equal to log x plus under root 1 plus x square, then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Now here we apply substitution. Put x plus under root 1 plus x square is equal to u. Then y is equals to log u. Differentiation of y is quite simple. Dy by du is equals to 1 upon u. And now differentiate it. Differentiation, this is function of u and x, so it should be du upon dx. Differentiation of x is equals to 1, so first write them. D differentiation of x plus this is under root 1 plus x square is according to chain rule, means plus differentiation of under root 1 plus x square, omit first under root, so it becomes d of 1 plus x square multiplied into d of 1 plus x square, again omit here power 2, it should be dx because 1 is constant. Now differentiation of x, which is 1, and root x is 1 by 2 root x, and differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x. 2 and 2 should now cancel. Now it is 1 plus x bata under root 1 plus x square. Take their LCM. So after taking LCM, this is 1 plus x bata under root 1 plus x square. After taking LCM, x plus under root 1 plus x square divided by under root 1 plus x square. So now here we have value of dy upon du, here we have du upon dx. Now multiply them. Then du upon dx into dy upon du. Du upon dx is x plus under root 1 plus x square by under root 1 plus x square, and dy upon du is 1 bata u, so it is multiplied 1 by u. Now write down the value of u, which we have considered as x plus under root 1 plus x square. It should be 1 bata x plus under root 1 plus x square. See, x plus under root 1 plus x square and x plus under root 1 plus x square. These two should be cancelled. How much left? 1 bata under root 1 plus x square, which is your result. Your next question is y is equals to log sine under root x square plus 1. Again apply substitution here. You may also solve by chain rule. You can use both methods are correct. You can use any of them, both are correct. First, suppose x square plus 1 is equals to u. Then y becomes log sine under root u. Now put under root u as v. Then it becomes log sine v. Finally consider sine v as w. Then it should be log w. Y is equals to log w. Now differentiate each of them. So differentiation of u is 2x. Differentiation of v, that is dv upon du, which is 1 upon 2 root u. Differentiation of root u is 1 upon 2 root u. This is function of w and v. So we have dw upon dv, and differentiation of sine v is cos v. And hence finally we have dy upon dw is differentiation of log w, which is 1 by w. And as usual in next step we multiply them. So multiply them. In left side we have du by dx into dv by du into dw by dv into dy bata dw. And right side we have 2x into 1 bata 2 under root u into cos v into 1 bata w. Now see carefully. In left side du and du should cancel, dv and dv should cancel, dw and dw should cancel. How much left? dy upon dx. dy upon dx. Multiply here into right side. See, only 2 and 2 should cancel here. 2 and 2 should cancel. How much left? In numerator we have x into cos v divided by x into cos v divided by under root u into w. This term is left in right side. And now put down their values. Here dy by dx is equal to x cos v by under root u into w. V V we have considered as under root u, and u is x square plus 1. Then cos V should be under root x square plus 1. Similarly, in denominator, under root u, and u is x square plus 1, so it is under root x square plus 1. And w come here, this is w, that is sin V, and V we have just got it under root x square plus 1. This is value of dy by dx. And now see, we know that cos theta upon sin theta is 1. So cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. So cos under root x square plus 1 bata sin under root x square plus 1 is cot under root x square plus 1. X is already here, so x cot under root x square plus 1 bata under root x square plus 1. This is differentiation of x cot under root x square plus 1. So I think children, we understand the different type. I think we understand the different types of differentiation. These are the differentiation by using log properties as well as exponential. Tomorrow we will come here by some more questions of differentiation based on log properties. Thank you. Hello and good afternoon, students. Today I am here with some more problem from differentiation. See the first one. Differentiate. Differentiate means to find dy by dx when y is equals to 1 upon under root 1 minus a square minus x square. So this is another type of problem. Here we put first u is equals to a square minus x square. Then this becomes 1 upon under root u, like this. 1 upon under root u, which should be u to the power minus 1 by 2. Now differentiate them. Since this is function of u and x, so u is differentiated with respect to x. Hence we have du upon dx, which should be equals to, this is constant, differentiation of constant is 0, and differentiation of x square is 2x. So this would be equal to 0 minus 2x means minus 2x. Similarly, 1 upon root u means u to the power minus 1 by 2, and when differentiating it with respect to u, then it should be according to formula of x to the power n. Differentiation of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So according to this formula, it should be minus 1 by 2 u to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 3 by 2. So dy by du is equals to minus 3 by 2. Now, now multiply them, du by dx and dy by du. Du by dx into dy by du is equals to minus 2x, which is value of du by dx, into minus 1 upon 2 u to the power 3 by 2. So after multiplication, we see that 2 and 2 should cancel. Similarly, minus and minus becomes plus, means 2 negative together becomes positive. So x upon u to the power 3 by 2. Now put the value of u, which is a square minus x square. So this becomes x upon a square minus x square to the power 3 by 2. Hence dy upon dx should equals to x upon x upon a square minus x square into power 3 by 2. So in this way we differentiate the problems of this pattern. Now see another question. See here, If y is equal to sine 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square, then find dy by dx. See here, sine, the angle of sine is complex, not simple angle like theta or etc. So put first this angle u is equals to 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square. Then y is equal to sine u and differentiate them, then dy upon du is equal to cos u, that is differentiation of sine u is cos u. Now differentiate u. This is function of u and x, so differentiate with respect to x. So du by dx, this is according to quotient rule, u upon v, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator upon denominator square. This is according to formula, just place it. And now 1 minus x square is same as here. Differentiation of 1 plus x square is, differentiation of 1 is 0 and x square is 2x. So d by dx of 1 plus x square is 2x minus 1 plus x square. Similarly, differentiation of 1 minus x square, it should be 0 minus 2x, means minus 2x. Simplify, denominator remains same. Simplify, first take 2x as common. Here how much left? 1 minus x square, and this minus and minus becomes plus 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square whole square. So see, plus x square and minus x square in the bracket, plus x square and minus x square should cancel here. So this becomes 1 plus 1 2 into 2, that is 4x upon 1 minus x square whole square. Now multiply this du by dx and dy by du. Du by dx is 4x upon 1 minus x square whole square, and dy upon du is cos u. This is your differentiation. Du and du should cancel here. How much left? Dy by dx is equal to 4x upon 1 minus x square whole square into cos. Write down the value of u, which is 1 plus x square divided by 1 minus x square. This is the differentiation. So before proceeding the next problem, we revise some formula regarding logarithm. First, differentiation of e to the power x, you already know it is e to the power x. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a, and differentiation of log x to the base a is equals to 1 upon x log a. Now we proceed some more problems regarding logarithm and exponential terms.